Hi everybody, and welcome to True Wants, where here we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button that you see right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also the bell beside that subscribe button that I always recommend that you press. It's called the notification bell. And what ends up happening is YouTube will notify you just once that I have uploaded a brand new video. I do upload a lot, and sometimes my videos are time sensitive, so I don't want you to miss out. So make sure to press that subscribe button, ring that bell, and you'll be in the know. Also in that same area, there is that thumbs up, and that's where you guys come in. If you enjoy the content that I make, and that I make so much of it, please take a second to hit that thumbs up. It will turn blue, the number will increase, and that's you helping True Ones get noticed on this huge YouTube platform. So I'm thanking everyone in advance for that thumbs up. All right? Okay, so today we got a couple of boxes, and there's going to be a few videos that are going up. One of them is possibly going to be a giveaway as well, so we'll go through all of that when you guys watch the videos. But today, this video is going to be about the Allure Beauty Box. This is a monthly box. It's $23 a month. As I share with you, we do spoilers at the beginning of the month on this box. And the boxes that I choose to do spoilers on are the boxes that I choose to get up for the channel. So this is one that I have been with when it was that $15 box, when so many people were on it because it was a crazy good deal. But Allure was one of the first ones to raise their prices, and they raised it so large from 15 to 23 that they lost a lot of customers. But as time and the world goes around, now this is one of the more affordable boxes again that shares with us a lot of products. In here, they always promise about 3 full-size products, but what we saw when we did the spoilers this month, there's going to be 4. And I have everything out on my table, and also they started to do sometimes where they send an email during the previous month where they give you an item that is a choice item. Usually in the past it was like a color, like for the Charlotte Tilbury, but this time around it was First Aid Beauty. They gave you a choice of 3 different options, and then I chose the lotion in that option. You also get a brochure on here, and as I share with you all the time, the links to all of the boxes that I get are down below, and I appreciate when you guys, use those links because then it shows the company that you're finding them through us or through the channel. So this is a box, like I said, that I've been getting before I had a channel. It is one that I'm really enjoying and one that I continue to get. So the first item that is in here is from First Aid Beauty. And the one that I chose for myself, and they have the options, they have them written here. The one that I got is the lotion. And the reason I chose the lotion is I've already tried the other 2. One is the KP Smoothing Body Lotion, which is this one. It also has 10% AHA, and I've never had a lotion that had that. The other options that you could have chosen are the KB Bump Eraser Body Scrub. It also has 10% AHAs. And then also they have their face cleanser, which is also a fantastic product. So they're saying in your box is one of these 3 First Aid Beauty staples. The body lotion and scrub are fortified with 10% lactic acid. I've also shared with you that you can also get the box on Amazon, which is how I started, and I switched over very quickly to get it from Amazon.com because to get it from Allure.com, because on Amazon, I doubt very highly that you'll get a choice, and also the limited edition boxes and all the other little treats that they give in reference to discounts and things like that I share with you during the spoilers, you can only get it through Allure.com. So to me, it's the exact same price, and it's to me more beneficial to choose Allure.com, but I love to always share with you how I started and why I switched. So then this one here has 10% lactic acid. It's a gentle chemical exfoliant that also hydrates. And it goes on about all of that, and it gives you all the information on the other ones as well. They're saying the retail price for the lotion is $26. For the scrub, it was $30, and the other one is $24. But as you know, I never choose by price, I choose by product. So that is from First Aid Beauty. They also have, some promo codes on here. Fab Allure 15. I used to put all this information in the description box, but a lot of you shared with me that you don't purchase that way, so I stopped sharing that information. But if you're interested, it's Fab Allure 15 at checkout, and then they also have, if you want the scrub, there's one discount. They have Fab Allure 16 at checkout if for the body lotion. And then they have Fab Allure 17 at checkout for the face cleanser. And that will give you 50% off each item. And that will be valid starting January 1st through February 28th. And then they're saying the promotion codes can't be combined again with any other offers and all of that. The next item in here is this one here. And this is from Sunday Riley. And this is one of their first products that I had the opportunity to get through Ipsy's shopper section. And this is the Sunday Riley CEO Afterglow Brightening Vitamin C Cream. They're saying this is a sunshine yellow gel cream with vitamin C that makes your skin all around dewier, more even toned and brighter, so much so that one editor started skipping her usual highlighter. It's a bit much. After just 2 weeks of using this, now her skin glows enough on its own. And this one here, the full size would be a 1.7 ounce, and that is around $65. They also have an Allure 20 code that you could use on Sunday Riley's site. That will get you 20% off this cream only, and that's good from now until February 28th. But I have the large jars on this, and Sunday Riley is a brand that I highly, highly recommend. If you have an opportunity to try any of her products, they have all been absolute home runs to me. And it was how I fell in love with Ipsy's shopper section, because I got to try a lot of these products in full size. Because what you learn on sample sizes with these type of any skincare, I feel, and these are all just my opinions, is I get to see if my skin can tolerate the product, if I like the scent of the product. But in reference to results, unless you use that same skincare product for at least a month to 6 weeks, you cannot say that that was the product that helped this, that, or the other thing. But what I can tell you is by testing all the products, my skin and everything has never been better. And I feel that that is through the subscription boxes, because when I used to go and buy at the counters and everything cost so much money then for me, that I would use it not in the way, like I would almost like try to save a little bit of it or not use it all the way through or all of that. Now, because I have so much, that it's almost a treat when it's such a small item now that I can use this all the way to the end. But when I fall in love with a product and I think it's showing results, I will stick with that product and use it all the way through, and then I will try a different product in the evenings. So this is one that I think whoever's going to try it, I think you will absolutely love it as well. Another brand that is an absolute phenomenal brand, and that's why I love Allure's beauty boxes as well. A lot of times they share the brands that we don't get a lot in other boxes, and this is one of them. This is the Elta MD. It is a skin recovery toner. They're saying this is like a vanilla latte for your skin. This toner will be comforting and energizing all at once. It is a multitasker that hydrates, softens, and fortifies your skin barrier with those amino acids. It is a key for keeping moisture, especially during the cold winter months. You always shake this first. They're suggesting shake a little onto your fingertips and pat onto clean skin right after cleansing and before the rest of your morning routine or your evening. It says the alcohol and fragrance-free formula is great for all skin types. And this is also good for sensitive as well as acne-prone skin. The full size of this would be a 3.4 ounce and it would be $20. They also have a code in here, Allure's R20 at checkout for 20% off this toner. And again, it's good until the end of February. So this, I'm really excited to have the opportunity to try. I tried a serum from this brand that was in one of my European boxes, and I really, really enjoyed this as well. But this is made, it says, in the USA. So really excited about getting this brand in here. Another brand that has become a home run for me, that also it was through a European box that I learned about this brand, and it is called Christoph Robin, but this will be a new product to me. It is a regenerating serum, and it has prickly pear. And it says blow dryers, hot tools, highlighters, all the things we love for our hair, but it also will dry it out, which is where this silky heat protectant syrup will come in. The silicone-free shine enhancer is excellent at preventing split ends and hiding existing ones, while the prickly pear oil and the castor oil will add tons of shine without weighing down your hair. So they're saying there's a reason it's called a serum. They're saying the formula feels a lot like a serum for your skin, meaning it is not heavy and it's easy to distribute throughout your hair. They're saying finger comb a few pumps onto the lengths and the ends of your damp hair, styling it through the dry hair for a quick boost of shine. and a polished look. The full size of this, which I think this one is, yes, it is a 50 ml. This is a $50 item on its own. And they also have an Allure times CR20 at checkout for that 20% off a single item in any order. And this is good until March the 1st. And this is what the item looks like here. This feels like a glass jar bottle. And this, just so you know, this is a brand that is, everything is either in the UK or in Paris. That this brand is known well and where it's manufactured and everything about the brand. I shared with you on my channel the scrub from this brand that I used it and it was such a treat. So if you see this brand, this is one that I would highly recommend, and I cannot wait to try this product. And I'm sure this has a beautiful scent to it. Yeah, it's just a very nice scent, nothing overpowering at all. So excited about that. The next item that we got in here is from Ciate London, another brand that I enjoy. It came in a full retail box, and then this is the item here. It is a Fierce Flicks Precision Tip Liquid Liner. It says, no matter your skill level, the smooth formula and felt tip pen on this rich black liquid liner make dramatic eyes a cinch. It goes on skip free and is easy to control, so you can define your eyes in deep black or create perfect wings or cat eyes. It simply tells you to trace your upper lashes, and if you're feeling it, you could do a slight upward flick at the end to add it to be a cat eye. This is another full-size item that is around that $20 value. And again, they have a code here. This one is Allure 2023 at checkout. Will get you that 20% off any order. And it says excluding gift cards and anything that's on sale. And this is also good, but this one will be good, that code, until March 31st. So that is what this item is here. And it's one of those felt tips that are like that. So we've been getting a lot of liquid liners lately, but I definitely test them out to see if they're good or not, so I can share with you when we do reviews, if it's ones that bleed or if they're ones that travel or any of that. So I always like trying that because I do have smaller eyes. It's important for me that it dries quickly, quick enough that if I'm doing anything else or putting mascara on afterwards, that I don't get the transfer. So I've been enjoying every one that we've been receiving. I really haven't had any duds. So always excited to try another one. And I always wear black liner. So for me, this is an absolute win. The next item in here is another win for me as well, because this is another brand that I absolutely love. I think I'm getting the hiccups. This one is Dr. Botanicals. It is a turmeric superfood restoring treatment mask. And it says this is a skin soothing winter ritual that you can look forward to. This is a hydrating and antioxidant face mask that quenches dry spots and helps calm blemishes while staying juicy instead of drying down. The texture makes it feel extra indulgent and relaxing while brightening your skin with this curcumin from turmeric. I didn't know that there was another ingredient within turmeric. It says smooth the mask over your entire face. It's great for all skin types. This is a 30 ml, they're saying, is this one here, and this is full size, and it is a $10 item. And this one here, they're saying the code is Allure 20. That will also get you 20% off. That's good until the end of the month on the Dr. Botanicals website. So turmeric usually has a bit of a color to it that's a little bit more of a gray tone. I'm just gonna peel this back so you guys can see a little bit of the color here. We could take it out on my finger. That's what it looks like there. I'm excited to try a mask that doesn't dry down completely, that it stays, they're saying that it won't dry down. So I'm excited about that. So we'll have to see. Yeah, it feels more like a hydrating mask than it is like those clay masks that I'm so used to. When you're an acne prone girl, you always wanted those clay masks where you felt it was taking everything out of your skin. But as you get older, even if you're still acne prone, these hydrating masks are absolutely fantastic. So excited to have the opportunity to try that. And that's everything that I got in this month's Allure box. But like I said, I share the spoilers with you, so we knew exactly what was going to be coming in our boxes this month. Sometimes, like I said, the variation may be different on the Amazon website. The girls that purchase on Amazon always take the time to share with me in the comments. But last month was the first time that I got the Amazon box version instead of what I shared with you in my spoilers. And when I reached out to them, they wrote back to me, it didn't make sense what they wrote back to me. So I wrote back to them again, and then they said that if they run out of one, you'll end up with the other. But I have been with Allure for more than 4 years, and that has never happened to me. Always whatever the spoilers were that was on their website was what was in my box. And so, and then again this month, I haven't even gone on to Amazon to see if the variation was different. So if you have, please share that in the comments down below. But definitely what was in the spoilers was definitely what I showed you here today, including the choice item that I made with the lotion. So like I said, if you enjoy Allure as much as I do, please make sure to share it in the comments down below. Or if you choose not to get Allure, I'd love to know why as well. All right, take care everybody, continue to stay safe and well, and I'll see you all again soon in my next video. Bye for now.